Ever feel like certain websites are sucking away your productivity or that you need a way to shield your family from inappropriate online content? Today, I'll show you how to block websites on Chrome, giving you control over your browsing experience in just a few easy steps. First, the Chrome Web Store has many extensions that can block websites. Let's start with one of the most popular BlockSite. So, type Chrome Web Store into your search bar and press enter. In the search bar, type BlockSite and press enter. Find the BlockSite extension and click on it, then click the blue Add to Chrome button and confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window. Once installed, the BlockSite icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. Click on it, follow the prompts to agree to the BlockSite terms and conditions to then use the extension. Now, to block a specific website, simply type the website address into the text box labeled Enter a website. For example, let's say you want to block YouTube. Type in youtube.com and click the plus sign. The website will now be added to your block list. To test it, type youtube.com into your search bar to see if it's blocked. For parents wanting to protect younger children, Google's Family Link app is a more secure solution that allows oversight of your child's activity. It's available on iOS and Android. So, these are very practical methods for enhancing focus, controlling online content, or safeguarding children from inappropriate material. And that's it. Now you know how to block websites on Chrome, allowing you to customize your browsing experience. Thanks for watching.